Hey everyone! If your hair is thinning or you're seeing less volume than before, you're not alone. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best vitamins for thinning hair that are backed by science and real results. Not every vitamin promises regrowth, but these have strong evidence linking them to stronger, healthier hair. Stick around, because I'll also share how to use them smartly so you don't waste time or money. Hair is one of the most metabolically active tissues in your body. That means your follicles need steady supplies of nutrients. Deficiencies in certain vitamins or minerals can cause hair to weaken, enter a resting phase, or fall out prematurely. So supporting your scalp internally is just as important as external hair care. Here are the 5 most important vitamins and minerals often linked to improved hair density and reduced hair loss. Number 1. Biotin, vitamin B7/vitamin H. Biotin is heavily marketed for hair, skin, and nails. Deficiency in biotin is rare, but when low, it can contribute to hair thinning. Biotin helps in the formation of keratin, the structural protein in hair. Always avoid megadoses. More doesn't always mean better. Number 2. Vitamin D. Vitamin D plays a role in creating new hair follicles, so deficiency may impair hair growth. Many people are deficient due to limited sun exposure or diet. Supplementing may help, especially if blood test shows low levels. Number 3. Zinc. Zinc is crucial for DNA and protein synthesis in follicles and repair scalp tissue. Low zinc levels correlates with hair shedding and poor hair growth. Too much zinc, however, can also interfere with other minerals, like copper, so beware of overdosing. Number 4. Iron. Iron deficiency, even mild, is a common cause of hair loss in women. Without enough iron, hair follicles get less oxygen and nutrients, weakening the hair. Before supplementation, always check your ferritin and hemoglobin with a blood test. Number 5. B-complex vitamins, for example B12, folate, B6, niacin, pantothenic acid. These vitamins support energy production, stress response, scalp health. Folate and B12 are especially important in cell division, including hair cell. Taking a complete B complex can help cover multiple bases rather than just one isolated B vitamin. To get the most benefit and avoid harm, follow these tips. Get a blood test first. Thyroid, vitamin D, iron, ferritin, B12, and zinc levels help you know what to supplement. Start with standard doses. Use the recommended daily intake unless told otherwise by a doctor. Be consistent. Vitamins take time. Expect changes over months, not days. Pair with food. Many vitamins are fat-soluble, D, E, so take with healthy fats. Avoid megadoses. Too much of certain vitamins, like vitamin A, zinc, can cause hair loss rather than stop it. Also, vitamins are not magic. They work best when combined with good sleep, stress management, a balanced diet, and proper hair care practices. You might notice less shedding within a few weeks, but most people see visible improvements, more fullness, better thickness, after 3 to 6 months of consistent supplementation. Some forms of hair thinning, like hormonal or genetic, may also need additional treatments beyond vitamins. Again, this is about optimizing your foundation so treatments can work better. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more hair health content, and share this with someone struggling with thinning hair. Drop in the comments which vitamin you're planning to try or test first. We'll talk results together. Stay patient, stay consistent, and let your hair thrive with the right nutrients.